Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Wake County until 9 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in Raleigh and the surrounding areas. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Cary, Wake Forest, Garner, Fuquay-Varina, Zebulon, RDU International, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Knightdale, Wendell, Roseville, William B. Olmsted State Park, Vernal, and Falls Lake State Rec Area. Slow down and use caution while driving to avoid hydroplaning. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina,